Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am bringing you a 5-minute quick minimalistic makeup look. Now I know you guys see me on here with a full face of makeup. I'm always doing glam, dramatic makeup looks, but in my everyday life, or if I just have to run a quick errand, I don't normally wear that much makeup. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys products that I received from Merit. They were kind enough to gift me their entire makeup collection. So thank you so much to Merit for gifting me these products. If you've not heard of Merit before, they are a high-end luxury brand. You can find them at Sephora in the clean section. So they are a clean beauty brand, vegan, cruelty-free, and safe for sensitive skin. They have 6 products in their collection plus a brush, which I did not receive because they were sold out. So I did use my own brush, and I also incorporated other makeup in this makeup look, but I promise you, as you can see, it's very minimal and it's very easy to achieve this look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this simple 5-minute makeup look, then go ahead and please keep on watching. And if you are interested in any of these products that I show in this video, I will have a link down below. And if you do make a purchase, I will be receiving a small commission from your order. So if you do use my link, thank you in advance. I really do appreciate it. So let's jump right into this simple minimalistic makeup look. I hope you guys like it. So I'm first going to start off with their volumizing pomade. This is their Brow 1980. This is a pomade that gives you thick, fluffy brows that hold all day. So that's just what the packaging looks like. Well, the box anyways. So I did cheat and apply a little bit of powder to my brows just to give them somewhat of a shape, but I didn't apply too much. What I like to do with this brow pomade is just brush all the hairs up, just like that, and then just brush them down. And the shade that I got, by the way, is black brown, and it does fill in any gaps and it just holds them in place. So I woke up with a couple of lovely friends today, right here, right here, right here, right here. Yeah, it's annoying. I am going to be using the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Sand, and I will swatch it so you guys could see the shade. So it just looks like that. I'm just going to apply this on my friends here. And of course, underneath my eyes, on my eyelids, because my eyelids have little tiny veins on them. Well, everyone does. And then just down my nose here, because it's always discolored. Pretty much everywhere. And you guys will see how easy this blends into the skin. It does an amazing job at just covering up dark circles, little tiny veins, any redness you may have. And it gives you this really nice dewy finish. So do you guys see how beautiful that leaves your skin? Like, it doesn't look cakey, and you can still see my little mole that I'm still debating on removing, but you can still see like your little freckles, moles kind of peeking through. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more under my eyes, just to conceal a little bit more. I'm just gonna use my sponge this time to blend that in. But since I have so many little fine lines, I am going to set it with powder because I just find that that works better for me. I did try it without powdering, and I just found that since it's so creamy, it does sit in my fine lines. I'm just going to be taking the Laura Mercier powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to be adding that underneath my eyes and even on my eyelids, just so they don't crease. Now they don't include a bronzer in their collection, but if you were to purchase the Minimalist Beauty in a darker shade, I feel like you could use that to contour with. So I am just going to be taking just my Milani bronzer, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my face just a little bit, just so that I could have a little bit of definition to my face. Hopefully they come out with a bronzer, because I just feel like it is needed. But I do get that they're just trying to create a simple 5-minute kind of step makeup routine. So I get that that's why they don't have that many products in their collection. So I'm also just going to add a tiny bit of bronzer in my crease. So if you don't have time to do a full eye look, a lot of the time I just take the bronzer that I used on my face and I just pop it into my crease. And then I'm just going to add a tiny bit of shimmer. I'm just using the e.l.f. Sugar, what is this one? Cream and Sugar palette. And I'm just going to take this shade right here and mix it with this one, and I'm just going to pop it on my eyelids. I did this the other day and it just looked so pretty. Okay, so this is a go-to mascara for every day. It tints, lengthens, and lifts lashes with no smudging ever. Check out this packaging, so beautiful. Again, nice and sleek, so nice. I feel like you can never go wrong with black and gold. That looks just so luxurious and pretty. This is the wand in case you guys wanted to see it. I love the way this mascara leaves my lashes, and my lashes are tiny, you guys, so that's just one coat. So I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and I'm gonna go in and do another coat after. Okay, so I went ahead and curled my lashes a little bit more. I know you're not supposed to curl your lashes after you have mascara on. I do it though. You just have to be very careful because you can rip them off, and I have done that before. So be very careful if you do curl your lashes when you have mascara on. Okay, so to add some color to my cheeks, I'm going to be taking their Flush Balm Cheek Color in the shade Beverly Hills. This is a universal tint that melts into your skin for lit from within color. Just going to take a brush and dab it on my face. Do you guys see that? Look how gorgeous that is. Just a beautiful flush of color. And I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. You can definitely build this up. As you can see, I probably put too much on, but it's so pretty and it just melts into your skin and it doesn't look powdery or anything. This is a cream consistency, so it is just going to melt into your skin. This is super pretty. I feel like you could even add this onto your lips, but I'm not going to because I do have a lip oil, so I don't want to do that. But you could definitely add this to your lips if you wanted to. Like, look how pretty that is. Okay, so next up is their Day Glow Highlighting Balm. This is perfect for day and night. This highlighter gives you a dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle. I love how they packaged everything. It just looks so beautiful, even just sitting nicely on your vanity. I feel like it just looks aesthetically pleasing. So this is what this shade looks like. Oh, this one is Bounce, by the way. They do have another one. They were sold out though. So this one is, I believe, one of their darker shades, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm just gonna take a brush and just go like this and apply it in areas that I want highlighted. This is very subtle, but again, you can definitely build it up. And it just melts all into your skin. I love it. I feel like this works beautifully with my skin type because I have dry skin. So it just melts into my skin like butter, and it's so hydrating, and it just looks really pretty. And it doesn't sit in any of my dry spots. So I'm just going to pop this on my brow bone as well, just for a brow bone highlight. I am just going to line my lips, but this is their tinted lip oil, and I got the shade Au Naturel. Yes, it's a very beautiful peachy coral kind of lip tint, and I love this. It leaves, once the glossy, well, it's not gloss, but it's like an oil. Once that wears off, it does leave you with a nice tint to your lips, which I really like. So I am going to line my lips first, just so that it doesn't move and it kind of stays where I want it to. And the lip liner I'm going to be using is Nutmeg by LA Colors, which has quickly become one of my favorite lip liners, by the way. And I feel like this matches it very nicely. So I'm just going to line my lips very quickly. And then I'm just going to take the lip oil and just apply that onto my lips. This color is beautiful, and it's not sticky or uncomfortable. I do feel like the lip liner does kind of keep it in place because it is pretty oily. All right, you guys, and we are done. What do you guys think? I think this whole look came together really nicely. I feel like I look still natural, and I feel like I don't have too much makeup on. For me, this is very minimal. My face does not feel cakey or heavy at all. I feel like I'm glowing, and I have like this nice, healthy, sun-kissed kind of look. I just love how the blush and the highlighter just melt into your skin, especially the blush. I am just in love with the blush. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Merit once again for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do use my link to purchase any of these items, thank you so much in advance because it really does help me out, and I appreciate all your love and support, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.